Together, we are winners. It was spring, the time for the best gardener competition. Granny Zanny had a big garden. Kids would grow flowers in the garden. Chichi and her friends were excited for the competition. But there was a problem. They did not have enough tools. One tool was missing from each toolkit. The girls started fighting as to who would use the tools first. Hearing their loud voices, Granny Zanny came out. Chi-Chi told her about their problem and Granny gave them the solution. The girls cheered with joy. They did not plant their seeds separately. Chi-Chi dug the ground, Mimi sowed the seeds. Rena brought the humus, Mena watered the plant. Together they worked, laughed, sang and danced. They helped one another rather than competing. After a few months, the flowers bloomed. Granny Zanny and the girls were surprised to see the biggest ever sunflowers in the garden. They were all proud of their achievement and teamwork. Moral of the story: teamwork is the key to success.